Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about PayPal and Zelle. Can you use PayPal with Zelle? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm here to answer it for you. Now, before I get into the nitty-gritty, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of understanding how these two payment services work. PayPal and Zelle are both great ways to send and receive money. However, they are not the same thing. PayPal is a third-party payment processor, while Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service. This means that PayPal is a company that acts as a middleman between you and the person you're sending money to. Zelle, on the other hand, allows you to send money directly to another person's bank account. So, can you use PayPal with Zelle? The answer is yes, but there are a few things you need to know. First, you can't use PayPal to send money to a Zelle account. However, you can use PayPal to send money to a person who has Zelle. The person you're sending money to will then be able to use the PayPal app to transfer the money to their Zelle account. Second, you can't use Zelle to send money to a PayPal account. However, you can use Zelle to send money to a person who has a PayPal account. The person you're sending money to will then be able to use the PayPal app to deposit the money into their PayPal account. Now that you know the basics, let's get into the details of how to use PayPal with Zelle. How to use PayPal with Zelle. Open the PayPal app. Tap on the Send Money tab. Select Bank Account. Enter the person's bank account number and routing number. Enter the amount of money you want to send. Tap on Send. The person you sent money to will receive an email notification from Zelle that they have received a payment. They can then use the Zelle app to transfer the money to their bank account. How to use Zelle with PayPal. Open the Zelle app. Tap on the Send tab. Select email or phone number. Enter the person's email address or phone number. Enter the amount of money you want to send. Tap on Send. The person you sent money to will receive an email notification from Zelle that they have received a payment. They can then use the PayPal app to deposit the money into their PayPal account. In conclusion, you can use PayPal with Zelle, but there are a few things you need to know. Make sure that the person you're sending money to has a Zelle account, and be aware of any fees that may be charged by your bank or credit union. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.